Hey, greetings all. Brian here, coming at you from King Cove, Alaska. Still aboard the Raven. Thought I would be home by now, but I had a regular full-length video, my normal kind of 20-minute video edited, and I tried to upload it. But our Starlink here, we went over our threshold of data and it is throttled way back, and I cannot get a full-length video to upload. So I'm going to try to record like a 5-minute video and see if I can get that to upload. It just keeps wanting to reset. It's showing it's going to take like 3 days to upload. So hopefully I can get this one up for you. Just wanted to give you all a little update. I thought, and I think a lot of you guys thought, that I would be back home to my van by now. I posted my last video on July 19th. That was a Sunday. We ended up staying on the Naknek River on the boats, servicing fishing boats, dispensing fuel and that for another 5 days or so until Saturday, July 25th. We left the Naknek River at about 11 p.m. We made our 2.5-day voyage back down to King Cove. It was pretty eventful. We had some pretty heavy winds and rough weather. It was the roughest seas I've ever been in. I was on the verge of being sick the whole time, even with my motion sickness medication. So spent a good full day just in bed, just trying to avoid getting sick. And then we got into False Pass and the weather subsided. The weather is usually a lot better in there once we get around to the other side. And False Pass was beautiful. On our trip up, it was all socked in with fog, so we were able to enjoy a very nice views through there. Everything had greened up, as you can see here. Even in King Cove, the hillside is nice and greened up, as opposed to when we were here a couple months ago. So it is now, I'm filming this on Friday, July 29th. I'm going to try to upload it here in just a few minutes when I put this together. Yeah, it got delayed. We had another 5 days, more than I thought, in the Naknek, and now that we're down here, we arrived here on Tuesday, July 28th, a few days ago, and I thought I would be able to get a flight out of here within a day or two, and it turns out the next available flight was a full week beyond that, not until August 4th. So yeah, I'm looking at just hanging out here. The big benefit is we are here docked up, so I can get off the boat. We're not anchored in river like we were. I think if we were still anchored up for another week, I'd probably start to lose my mind. So being able to get off of this boat and go for walks, although today is kind of wet and misty, the last couple days were nice and sunny, so I'll mix in a little bit of clips here from around King Cove. It's a really pretty spot to kind of be stuck in. But again, I am really looking forward to getting back home to my van and getting back on the road. So just practice in patience, just being grateful that I do have the opportunity to be in this neat place. I'd probably never come to King Cove, Alaska otherwise. So just trying to look at it as a little, vacation. You know, the season that I signed up for was an average of about 45 days, and it's going to end up being about 57 days I'm here. So kind of feel like I'm making less money each day I'm here, but it is what it is. I kind of knew all that going in. So just wanted to give you all a little update. I didn't want to be missing in action too long, and just give you a heads up of what's going on here. I am kind of stuck here for, it's going to end up being almost a total of 2 weeks longer than I thought. But again, yeah, making the best of it. We still have plenty of food on board. So yeah, just kind of trying to make the best of being in King Cove. Like I said, it's a pretty spot. So yeah, I'm going to wrap it up here, try to keep this real short so I can at least just get something uploaded to give you a little update here. Try to mix in some pictures. I did go on a walk yesterday, and the sights around here are very nice. The mountain views, there's still a couple snow-capped mountains you can view through the green hills here. And yeah, it was just nice to get out and stretch the legs more than anything. I've been stuck on a boat, and just being able to kind of walk back and forth on the deck doesn't really cut it for me. So the first day we got here, we had a nice sunny day. I went out for a good 1.5 to 2-hour walk, made myself nice and sore the next day, which was a very welcome feeling. We have shore power here, so we do not have to run the generator, so it's been nice and peaceful. And yeah, so again, next video I'll probably upload when I get back to my van with regular internet service, and post the video of the journey from Naknek down to here. I kind of felt like I made a decent video of that, and then it'll be back to my normal traveling in the van around the States. So yeah, hope to see you guys soon in those videos. I appreciate y'all keeping up with my adventures here on this job in Alaska, and I hope you're all doing well out there, and we'll see you soon in the next one. Take care. Peace.